Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and we're back for day 13 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So I am so excited to see what this is. I have no idea. There's some good guesses. Go back and look at the comments. Some of them were really good. You know, I am thinking a pattern. A few people have said that. I don't know. I'm excited to see. I forgot my hat, and I'm having a bad hair day, and I meant to put this on, so we'll put that on just like that. All right. Okay, let's open it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. It's not a pattern. Sew edge reusable vinyl stops for your machine. Quilt with Marcy Baker. Okay. Look at, oh, okay, I get it. All right, so these are like seam guides that you put right on your machine. Well, I'm gonna try these out. Oh, they're really cool. I think they're really neat. I am anxious to try them. It says they're made in the USA. That's cool. It aligns with most machines. You can see a picture of it being used right there. That's really cool. Now my question is, are they gonna stick, or am I gonna have a little shifty shift going on? But anyway, either way, it's worth trying, and I'm very happy with it. Great notion. Can't wait to try it, and I will let you know tomorrow what I think of it. Very cool. All right, let's guess the next day. 14, right? 14. Yeah. Whew. Okay. I don't even know what day it is. So I don't have that one yet. Let me dig it out. Okay, I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess 14. Warning, warning, warning. I think I know what it is too. I'm gonna guess. All right, here it is. This is day 14. I think it's another charm pack. It's very squishy and it feels like a charm pack, and I hope it is. It's shaped like a charm pack. Oh, that means the next day there's probably a project coming up. What do you think? Oh, I'm so excited. You know how much I love getting fabric. I hope that's what it is. All right. Oh boy. So it's been great. I have the iron thing. I haven't used it yet because I haven't had a minute to sew. I've been very, very busy. I will use this and let you know. I'm sure it's great. I looked online for other ones, and they run anywhere from $8.99 to $25. This seems to be thicker than most, so I'm gonna price it. I was really tempted to price it at 17 because that's our balance, but I'm gonna price it at 15. So that brings our grand total to $177.95, and that also means that we are $2 away from breaking even. So there's that. I'm positive that these will do it. My guess is these are somewhere around $5 or something. So that's amazing. It's amazing. It's been so much fun, and we have so many more gifts to open. And hello. Well, I don't want to show that again because, yeah, I don't want to spoil it for anybody, but you know what we talked about with the guests. So that really is adding more value to this whole experience and to the overall value of this box. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'm still working on the birds. I hope to get them finished at some point. I've just been super busy. I will see you tomorrow for day 14 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. See you then.